Okay, if you've got a Keurig 2 and it's dripping, this might be how you fix it. So you open this thing up, this thing pulls out, and what you got here is you've got a drop tray. Press underneath here, come out, it'll be loose. You've got 2 holes right there that may be clogged. You want to clean that out. So when I opened this up, there was a bunch of debris in there. Looks nice, eh? And it was clogging this, and it was slowly dripping. So once I cleaned this out, freed those 2 holes up, drip was gone. Put it back in. There you go. No more dripping.